Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, come back with me Deviana Azzahroh. On this occasion, I will discuss about WDS or wireless distribution system. WDS or wireless distribution system server to access wireless configured by using another router, where we have to make a router as an access point and other routers as a station. But routers must use the SSID, band, and frequency. So this topology. The first step, we configure router 1. We log in with the identity R1 Deviana. The first step we do is to check the interface that will be used with the command interface print. Here we can see I use Ether1 for ESP, Ether2 for laptop, and VLAN for WDS. Here we do a DHCP client request using the command IP DHCP client at interface Ether1 and disabled now. Enter. The interface that we use the interface that is connected to the internet and do a check using the command IP DHCP client print. We can see that we got the address is 172.80.36/16. After that, we do the test by pinging OpenSource and pinging Google. Enter the command ping 8.8.8.8. Enter. And ping google.com. Here we can see that the result is a reply, which means we are connected to the internet. After that, we create a bridge interface to combine Ether1 and WLAN1 to create an access point. Enter the command interface bridge at name next. Add the Ether1 and WLAN1 port into the bridge interface with the command interface bridge port add bridge interface is interface 1. Enter. Next, to interface Ether1. If have checked the bridge interface with the command interface bridge port print. We can see that we have successfully add a bridge interface. Then we active VLAN 1, which will later configure the access point with the command interface wireless enable VLAN 1. And check using the command interface wireless interface print. We can see that the flag is S, which means left. After VLAN 1 is active, we configure the access point by adding WDS mode. Enter the command interface wireless set VLAN 1 with mode AP bridge. We make band 2 GHz in. Next SSID is WDS digital. Frequency is 2442. And WDS mode is dynamic, and WPS default reach. Is WDS default reach is reach 1, and then WDS yes. Okay, enter, and to check with the command interface wireless print. We can see that we have running our APWDS. Okay, next we configure to router 2. We move cable UTP to router 2 and login with the identity R2 Deviana. Connect. Here we enable the WLAN1 interface on router 2, which will later use station mode. Enter the command interface wireless enable WLAN1. Enter. And check with the command interface print. Here we can see that the flags have to X have no X, which means WLAN1 is active. After that, do a scanner to see that access point to we have created on R1. We type the command interface wireless scan WLAN1. We can see that the SSID is WDS digital. Next, connect to the WLAN1 interface with access point R1 and don't forget to add WDS mode. Enter the command interface wireless set WLAN1 with mode station WDS SSID. So SSID R1 is WDS digital. Next frequency is 2442 with band 2 GHz in. Next, WDS mode is dynamic. Okay, and then enter and do a check with the command interface wireless print. Make sure wireless R2 is connected to the access point R1 by looking at the flag is R, which means it's running. If you have made a DHCP client request so that R2 gets a IP from the ESP through the WLAN1 interface, enter the command IP DHCP client at interface one and disable no. Enter. Check with the command IP DHCP client print. We can see we got the IP address is 172.168.40/16. And then make sure that R2 is connected to the internet by doing a ping test on the Google domain. Enter the command ping google.com. We can see the status is reply. So that's all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.